We got a lot to unpack. Our questions from Dominic, let's just hop into it. Why are eggs packaged in flimsy paper cartons, but batteries are secured in plastic that's tough as nails? Why is abbreviated such a long word? Or why is there a D in fridge but not refrigerator? Great questions. Keep them coming. You want the truth?
You can't handle the truth!
I had no idea who to ask, so I went to the one source where I know I could get the straight dope. People at large.
Yeah. Can you tell me why abbreviated is such a long word?
Thank you.
You know why there's a D in fridge and not in refrigerator?
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Thank you.
Hello.
Well, excuse me.
Do you have any questions you want to ask me? I'm asking for a friend.
Thank you. Thank you. Hey,
Yeah. Why are eggs packaged in a flimsy paper carton but batteries are secured in plastic that's tough as nails?
I get my manager for you then.
Do you know the way to San Jose?
I guess your one option maybe wing up front right here and in the front. Give you better direction. Yeah, but pull back around to go that way in the house over here and see if they help you out. 'Cause I have no idea.
Okay.
I seen this.
Well, Dominic, I tried. Send your questions to questionsforvlos@yahoo.com.